Natalia and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video for YouTube, and in the next few minutes I'm going to show you how to make delicious, very simple 3-ingredient strawberry ice cream. So the first ingredient is sweetened condensed milk, almost 400 grams. The second ingredient is 2 cups of double cream, each 270 milliliters. And of course we have fresh strawberries, 400 grams. After washing strawberries, we're gonna cut them in small pieces and we're gonna save them for later because we will add half of that to the ice cream and the rest we will keep for decoration. So now we will pour everything into a large mixing bowl. First we add double cream, and then we will add condensed milk. I like to mix with electrical mixer all together at once, but you can do first double cream and then after it's whipped you can add condensed milk. I mix it around 10 minutes until consistency is pretty much like a whipped cream. So don't make it liquid, and when you're done you just add strawberries. I already made here more than a half of the ice cream and the rest I pour in a bowl, and it's the best if you leave it in the freezer overnight. I recommend that, although we didn't wait that long. We ate it after 4-5 hours because we couldn't resist, and I don't want to describe the taste at all. I just want to tell you that 5 of us, 3 kids and 2 adults, we ate literally all in 10 minutes. So this is the final result. It looks delicious, it's very creamy, and you feel the taste of strawberries. Very nice and very simple and very quick. So if you like this video, please share, comment, subscribe, because this is new channel, and I hope to see you soon.